Welcome back, guys. Now let's work on the username here. Let's make this clickable, and whenever user clicks this link, any user should be able to view all the ads by this user. Okay, so we are finding all the ads of this user. Okay, so let's start then. So first thing is to, obviously in the name we'll make an anchor tag here, right? And then we'll close this anchor tag, and let's go in the web.php and just build a profile. I'll give the user ads, and here I'll write route route get, and let's write ads, and this will be the user ID. We can write this as user ID, and we can write this as a view, and let's show this in the front end controller, and I'll write view user ads, and let's give the name route as so dot user dot ads. This is our route name, and we'll copy this route name, and let's go here in the solar.php, and here we'll write a route route so user ads, and then we'll write advertisement, and in the advertisement table we have the user underscore ID that will give the user ID, so we'll write user underscore ID. Okay, so now this is fine. So if we go here, if you refresh this, and if you click here, then you'll see here link, right? So it's like ads/to/view. So now we'll make this method. So let's copy this method name, view user ads, and here you can see we have the method name, and that method name is very meaningful. Like for example, here you can say find based on category. We are finding something based on category. Similarly, we have find based on child category. So all the names are very meaningful, right? So here we have a show, it's just a show. So here we'll write the comment for this. So let's say show individual ads, and the comment for this will be so user ads. So let's write so user ad. This is to show user ad. So user ad. So let's make a public function, and let's give the method name, and here will be the user ID. Okay, and here will be the advertisements, and here will be the advertisement where user underscore ID equals to this ID. So we're getting the ad based on this user ID from the advertisement table. So we're getting the all advertisement, everything from the advertisement for this particular user ID that is coming from the URL. For example, here is 2. If you go here in the user table, we have user ID. Here we do have user ID, and user ID is 2, so it has a lot of ads, so we're getting all these ads. Okay, and we'll write here return view, and let's make the seller folder, and let's make the ads. So seller ad compact advertisement BERTISEMENT advertisements. Okay, save it. Now let's go here and let's make the seller. So we'll make here as seller, seller, and we'll make here the file called ads.blade.php, and let's copy everything from the home.blade.php, and we'll paste this over here. Alright, so we have this one. Let's make one more card here. So let's copy this one and let's paste over here. Okay, so we'll remove this one, and remove this one. Okay, and I'll remove the header also, this class header. I'll remove this one, and this is what we should get now. So is this a view user ad doesn't exist? Maybe this is capital US user, and we have this is capital, and we have seller.ads. So so app front ads. So sorry, the mistake is here. I wrote here front ads, not at the front ads. Is the front end controller, front end controller. Now this should be fine. Okay, now let's go here in the ads, and this is 4. This should be 4, and other one should be the ad. Okay, so here we'll display the ads, so we can easily display this ad from here. So let's copy this one. So here is the I like to copy from here. So if you go here, let's go add, probably in the index add. So we have a card here. So let's check where it is. So it should be outside to show the individual products. So this is the dashboard, home, index, and here is that. So I'll copy this one. You can see here I'll copy this one, and then I'll paste over ads. I'll paste here. Okay, so what we're doing here is we are simply looping the advertisement. Okay, and we'll show that. And we need a row, so here I'll give the div class row, and let's close this row. So I'll close one div here. Okay, now this should be fine. Save this, refresh this, and you can see we can see all the ads of that particular user. Let's make this 4. I'll make this 4. Okay, we can see all the ads. Now let's display the pagination also. For example, if I want to paginate, paginat, paginate, and let's say for now, just for testing, I'll make 6, and we can display pagination somewhere here. So this is the card. We finish here, we can display here advertisements, advertisements, links that will give our pagination, and we have the pagination here. Okay, so I don't like to make 6, rather I like to make it 28. If you have 28, then I will show pagination. And I want to get a user image as well, so I'll use the user. Make sure you import the use app/model/user class. Okay, and find the user based on this user ID, and let's pass this user variable here, and let's go to here, and now here we'll display the image. So first we'll check if the user has image or not. So if user variable has avatar, avatar, else here will be inif, else no avatar. If user has avatar, here is avatar, so we'll display the avatar. So refresh, so user don't have avatar, so we'll display the default image. So let's make this as img src. In the public directory I have a img folder, so img, and then I have main.jpg, and then I'll give the width as 120, class mx auto, auto dblock. So let's check this. Okay, we can see this here, and here I can, if user has image, then I can face the image of that user. Okay, src. Here I like to give image thumbnail, img thumbnail, and here we'll display the image. Stor is storage, URL, and user avatar, avatar avatar, and let's give the width as 120 and close this. So if user has image, we'll display, otherwise we'll display the default image. And just below here I'll display the username. So here let's display the username. So user and the name, that will display the username. Save this and let's go here and we can see here. Okay, so now let's go here in the view, so we can see all the ads here, and we can see also the image and name of that user.